Hi, welcome to this PebblePad tutorial brought to you by your Practice and Portfolio coaches. In this tutorial, I'll be talking about unit portfolios, and I'll show you how to create a portfolio for your unit and then how to populate that portfolio with pages and assets. So we suggest, and we'll begin by launching PebblePad, that you create a portfolio for each of the units that you take during your associate degree. So while I have shown how to create a portfolio in a previous video, I'll just do that again now. So you can go to Get Creative and create a portfolio. And what will come up is our portfolio, which as yet is unnamed. This is the first page of your portfolio. Okay, so it's already defaulted and given us our first page. And what we suggest that you do is set up your portfolio by weeks. Now you might go every single week or you might group weeks. So in this case, let's go several weeks in a row. So we're just going to go week 1 to 2, confirm. Now, I know I'm going to have many things to put onto this page, and a page is a single scroll. So my decision is whether I want to just keep it in a single scroll or to actually make it look more organized by maybe converting this to a portfolio and then having multiple pages. So it's a decision really on what you feel might look best. In this case, I feel like I'll have quite a few documents, so I'm going to convert this to a portfolio, and it's just a matter of clicking on that plus, convert to portfolio. It's going to need to be renamed again, so I'll go ahead and rename it week 1-2, confirm that. And now I can add pages to this, and you can see it's already got my old page, which probably I'll need to rename. And perhaps the first thing that I'm going to upload in this portfolio are, notes from a site visit. So I'll confirm that. I actually know I'm going to have another page in here called Reflection, so I'm going to add a new page. Again, it always defaults to a blank. It's except for that first one where you got a banner. And then again, go to the settings, and then I know it's my reflection. I imagine I'm going to have many reflections, so I might just start naming them reflection 1, 2, 3. So we'll confirm that. So now, as you can see, I am in a portfolio, which I've yet named, and I've already begun identifying my week. So I'll go ahead and add another one, week. And I know that that's going to be a portfolio. And I'm going to change the name there, and weeks 2 through 3. So if I preview this, it actually wants me to enter the title. I could have gone to save, and it would ask for the title as well. So this is where I would type in my unit. So say it's business of leisure. I can put the unit code in there if I prefer. And now I have now created this portfolio. Unfortunately, it doesn't give you a heading that says business of leisure, but this is what we're working in. And now what it's given you is more like the preview page, which obviously we haven't put much in here, so it doesn't look great. But let's go back now to working on this portfolio. The first thing I want to do is notes from a site visit. I can change the banner, I can remove it altogether. I've downloaded a banner that I like from Pixabay, and it's free images, so I'm not having any copyright issues. It is on my desktop, so as you can see, you can choose one of their default banners, but I'm going to upload it from my desktop. I don't need to put it in my assets. I can just directly upload. Okay, so if you have it in assets, you can go there, but right now I'm going to go straight to where it is on my computer. And I believe that's the one I want. Happy with that. And I can confirm my upload. And perhaps I want to resize this. So you can just move, again, push resize. Just have a play with PebblePad. You really can't do too much wrong, especially if you've saved items somewhere else. So that's resize that satisfactorily for me. And then that replaces my banner. Now I can begin adding content. So this page, I have identified that it's about a site visit I did. I want to actually just copy and paste it from a Word document. I believe that looks best. So I'm going to just add my text box, find my Word document, which is here. Let's just assume this is mine. I have taken this from the internet, and I shall cite it. And just pasting it in. Now, it had bullet points, so it might not paste very well. We'll see. Didn't do too badly, actually. So it's pasted my notes from that site visit. Now, in the case that it won't paste accurately, or it is a link that you, maybe a table or an Excel spreadsheet, the best way to do that, and I'll show you on this page, is again, add content, add a text box, and you can just type in a title for it, try to be specific, highlight that title, and press link. This is going to ask you where that item is. Even though you may not have uploaded it to the asset store, you can still get it at this point from your desktop. So select asset. Again, it might say, where is it in your asset store? But I know I haven't uploaded it, so I'll locate it on my desktop. And I can't remember what I've called it there. I think that's it right there, notes. Okay, there it is. There we go. I've added it now. Confirm that upload. And there it is. You can see that's turned black or blue, and now it's a link. And so not as attractive, but one option. I'll save now and show you the preview. And then let's preview this. And you can see we're in the first page of it, and you can see that's what my banner, my notes, and then below you can see, where is that gone? I think it's below my menu bar here. I have to go back to edit that. So for some reason, the notes below didn't come up. What I'm going to do is add a text box below that to give myself some additional room at the bottom of the page. So I'm going to go ahead and add another text box. Do you see how that's added more space at the bottom? And my hope is that now you'll see that link at the bottom. Sure enough, there it is. Okay, so troubleshooting. That extra text box just gives that little bit of space at the bottom. So that is how you organize your portfolios. Each unit has its own portfolio. My suggestion is that you organize that unit's portfolio by weeks. My suggestion, and I should say our suggestion, the Practice and Portfolio team, is that you make those weeks portfolios. So while it will default to a page, we suggest that you convert that to a portfolio, and then that you begin adding pages. And those pages, again, are your artifacts of learning. So they could be notes from site visits, photos from those visits. It could be infographics. It could be reflections. It could be blogs. Refer please to the Practice and Portfolio Milo unit, the module that talks about portfolios, if you'd like more information about what your portfolio should contain. Basically, basically, it is evidence of your learning. Okay, I'll stop here and talk a little bit more about some of those fancy things you can do to make your portfolio more appealing. Thank you.